How to get a business loan for your retail store. If you manage a retail store, you know that staying ahead means more than just keeping shelves stocked. Seasonal inventory changes, supplier price increases, and marketing campaigns all require quick access to capital. When an opportunity comes to secure a hot selling product or prepare for the holiday rush, you can't afford to wait weeks for financing. Our team works as independent brokers, connecting small businesses with the right funding. We are not part of David Allen Capital, but we choose to work with them because their speed, flexibility, and competitive offers have consistently met the needs of our retail clients. David Allen Capital taps into a network of lenders to secure your best funding option. In many cases, they can approve your application the same day and have funds in your account in 24 to 48 hours. Now, that speed can mean the difference between missing a sales window and maximizing your profits. And here's what sets them apart. DAC offers a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If you apply with them and another lender provides a better offer, they will match it or hand you $500 in cash. If your store has been open for at least 6 months with steady monthly revenue and clear bank statements, you may qualify, even if your credit is average. So, if you're ready to boost inventory, launch a promotion, or simply maintain a healthy cash flow without the delays of traditional banks, click on the link in the description below. Watch the founder's message and apply today to see if you can be funded in as little as 1 to 2 business days.